Good morning, class 7 students. This is the geography book. As we know, we are doing chapter number 1, and today we are going to read page number 5. And our topic is human environment. See, in this topic, we are going to read about the relationship between the human being and the environment. As how human beings are becoming selfish and how they are modifying the land. They are modifying the environment for their needs. Human being interacts with the environment and modify it according to their needs. Human beings only, we people only modify the environment according to our needs. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surrounding. Early humans, like your grandparents or before that, we were used to live in the natural surrounding. They leads a simple life. Our grandparents or old peoples were using a simple life and fulfill the requirement from the nature around them. And whatever the needs, they used to satisfy our needs from the nature only. With the time, needs grew and becomes more varied. Means as the time is changing, human needs are also changing. Human learns new ways to use and change the environment. We human beings, as the time is changing, as the technology is changing, we are becoming more educated. We are using advanced technology like the motor, transportation system has been changed. The need of the environment has also changed. Students, here I want to give the examples of today times, like we are living in the lockdown period now, and before the lockdown, our visibility, the environment was different, and after the 45 days also of lockdown, our environment has changed. You can feel it yourself. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and let us settle life. People have started growing crops, domesticated animals, let us settle life. The wheels were invented, surplus food was produced, barter system mergers. Barter means commodity to commodity exchange. Trade started and commerce developed. As we were developing, we have started domesticated animals, we let us settle life, wheels were invented, transportation system has been invented, commerce have been developed, means business has been developed. We are doing business. Industrial revolution, industries have been set up in our country, enables large scale production. As our productions was increasing, transportation become faster. Information revolution made communications easier and speedy across the world. Have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summers and not hot roasted peanuts in winters and hot roasted peanuts in winters? A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and the human environment. See, student, we it's a summer time now, we eat watermelon, we do not eat peanuts. The example is given in the book because there is a balance, because in winters we want to eat hot drinks, we want to drink we want to eat peanuts, whereas in the summer season we need a watermelon, juicy foods for our body. So there is a balance. Same way, the balance is to be needed in our environment also. If we do not protect our mother earth, okay, we were overburdening our earth. Last month we have celebrated the Earth Day, and if we are overburdened the earth with transportation, with communication facilities, industries, it will be burdened. The earth will be exhausted, and it will affect our environment, and that was happening. So we have to protect our environment also, plus we have to satisfy our needs also. There should be a balance, there should be a sustainable development. Human must learn to live and use their environment in harmonious way. Means in a good way. We should use our environment and humans in a better way. Thank you, class. So this completes your reading portion of your chapter.